Hello everyone, Ronnie here with Amazing Air Guns, etc. I'm going to be testing my new high pressure air cannon some more today. I've got a 9.5 cubic inch cylinder, 32 inch barrel. I've got a 32 inch arrow I'm going to be shooting at 1000 PSI. I'll show you the gun. Here's the gun. Here's the arrow, 32 inches long. I still have a knock on it because I'm going to be putting it inside the barrel. Open up the loading port. Going to slide the arrow down. And I'm going to be using a 20 gauge shotgun slug or shotgun wadding for a shotgun shell. Fits perfect in this barrel. I'm going to use that as a gas piston to seal the air behind the arrow. Let's slide that in. Bring the arrow down to it. Close it up, and we're good to go. 1000 PSI. Gonna be shooting through the chronograph, see how fast it goes. Let me turn on the chronograph. Take my safety off the gun, and we're ready to go. Wow, 329 feet per second. My previous test, I used a 22 inch crossbolt sliding over the barrel with the knock removed at 1500 PSI, and I did 2 shots. I got 360 feet per second and 372 feet per second. And the 372 just about destroyed the arrow. It went through the target. I think there's somebody went through the target. Let's go look. Nope. Actually, it's at the bottom of it. I think it hit and bounced off of it, but I think it's okay. If I go to 1500 PSI, it's going to be quite a bit faster, I believe. I may try it though. I think I will. I think I'll do that in another video. For now, thanks for watching. Check out our website, man. We got all kind of air guns manufactured and some custom ones I made. AAETC.net. And buy something from me, man. I got all kind of price ranges, good competitive prices with everyone else. So I hope you can check it out and buy something. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.